Ciao, amici. Ciao.
This cave looks like in a movie.
Behind me there is the statue of Giuseppe Tartini, who composed one of the hardest music pieces in the world.
You stick this in here, you smell it, and it smells really good. Oh, I'm taking this whole thing home with me.
So this is going to be the famous Slovenian terrain.
But it's so cool here. It's really cool here. I love it. But as long as we cycle together,
You are married.
I feel Slovenia.